Focus on the future means to us looking at the newest trends in the event rental industry.
When we get to the ARA show every year, it gives us time to actually stop, take a breath, and focus on our business.
To me, it means focusing on the people that you're going to need for your future.
Focus on the future for the ARA show. It's my opportunity to get grounded and build my plan for the next year.
When I hear focus on the future, I think efficiencies and profitability for my business.
Focus on the future means to me is the next big thing. What's next? What are you going to do next? And what are you going to do different today than you did yesterday?
Focus on the future at the ARA show in Orlando 2020. Register now.
Register now.
Register now.